Welcome to AssistEdge RPA Intelligent Automation. AssistEdge RPA supports intelligent automation solutions in two ways: integrating with cognitive services and providing native contextual intelligence. Let's understand each one of these in detail. With various cognitive services on tap, one can now automate processes involving extraction of unstructured information embedded in documents like images, emails, handwritten notes, prints and scans. To make all of this possible, AssistEdge RPA provides cognitive services activity to call language, vision, speech or any other REST APIs provided by the leading artificial intelligence providers such as NIA, Google, ABBYY and Microsoft. In addition to providing intelligence by integrating with various third-party cognitive APIs, AssistEdge RPA comes with a native contextual engine, Albie, that delivers pervasive, customer-centric intelligence across runtime and bot management. It enables digital workers, that is robots, to observe, learn, and solve business problems. This ensures that a much higher level of process automation is achieved with human or human-like decisions also brought within the ambit of automation. With the potential of bringing humans and the evolved digital workers closer than ever and ensuring collaboration between the two, AssistEdge RPA comes with the concept of automation singularity, helping to co-create the future worker and bringing about human-empowered automation. Not only this, smart resource management powered by Albie also provides predictive alerts around bot performance and SLA failures with the ability to scale dynamically for increased bot reliability. This contextual intelligence in AssistEdge RPA is delivered in the form of integration with best-in-class native artificial intelligence services and contextual machine learning algorithms with feedback loops for continuous learning. With the generic overview of intelligent activities provided by AssistEdge RPA, next explore further videos to understand the steps involved in working with these activities.